Crypto prices have been insanely volatile over the last couple of months, really over the last year. We've seen all-time highs hit. We've seen all-time low levels of fear hit, or high levels of fear, lowest levels of confidence, however you want to word it there. Level of 5, extreme fear. And right now, we've got something very interesting going on with Bitcoin. The Bitcoin Faucet has gone live after 15 years of dormancy. What we've learned so far, we're going to be breaking it down in the video today. You can grab some free Bitcoin if you want. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and I do want to say thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to the channel, and thank you for understanding that YouTube is now run by AI. Well, it is allowing general discussions about crypto, NFTs, and other digital assets, so that's all that this video is. We're specifically going to be talking about the Bitcoin Faucet, historically and current in this video, and I say free Bitcoin, right? But of course, everything's got an opportunity cost, all of that you guys must weigh for yourself. So let's talk about it. It says Bitcoin trades near $67,000 as a piece of crypto history quietly came back to life yesterday. And the community reaction reveals something very important about where sentiment stands right now. So Jack Dorsey's block launched a $1 million Bitcoin distribution via a revived Bitcoin Faucet at Bitcoin Day, the first such project since Gavin Anderson's original 2010 experiment. Dorsey posted that Bitcoin Day earned free Bitcoin on April 6th, quoting, "The Bitcoin Faucet is back," a direct callback to the faucet Anderson ran 15 years ago, which gave away 5 Bitcoin per captcha and distributed 19,700 Bitcoin in total, worth billions of dollars at today's prices. Now, clearly, all of us are kicking ourselves, right, for being idiots and not going out there and grabbing 5 Bitcoin absolutely free, for going out there and participating in whatever the original Bitcoin faucet involved. Now, Block's version caps the giveaway at $1 million worth of Bitcoin, framing it as a push towards everyday practical use. Community chatter is warm but realistic, with bot abuse, tiny payouts, and privacy trade-offs already being flagged. Now, guys, I want to say something, okay? Yes, we may have to deal with more AI. We may have to deal with more bots. We may have to deal with all of this that we didn't have back in 2010. But let's talk about tiny payouts. People are so stupid when it comes to tiny payouts. When you were getting 5 Bitcoin back in 2010, you weren't receiving, $350,000 per captcha. It wasn't $350,000 that you were receiving from this Bitcoin faucet. It was 5 Bitcoin, right? 5 Bitcoin might not have even been worth $5 at the time. So you talk about tiny payouts. It's all in perspective. Now, if all of a sudden Bitcoin goes to $1 million 10 years from now, or like Michael Saylor believes, $13 million one day in the future, you are once again going to kick yourself for being an idiot and not going out there and participating in this giveaway. Now, it goes on to say that the timing is deliberate. Bitcoin is down by 45% from its highs, and Block's faucet relaunch lands at a time when the market needs a narrative reset. Is it a genuine adoption catalyst, or just a nostalgic theater? Can the faucet recover Bitcoin above $80,000? Bitcoin's current consolidation near 67 follows one of the sharpest 6-month drawdowns since 2018, a 45% retreat from the $120,000 highs, and for now, the high 60s has emerged as critical support band to watch. Macro headwinds have dominated the price action throughout the first quarter of 2026, with March stabilization suggesting that exhausted sellers rather than renewed buyers. Block's own Bitcoin treasury of 8,883 Bitcoin, valued at $593 million and averaging 32,000 per Bitcoin, signals institutional conviction at these levels, though that's cold comfort if support breaks. Next level of resistance, $75,000 to $80,000. Guys, everybody is skeptical until it works, okay? Now, you've got a decision to make. You can participate in these giveaways. You can accumulate, or you can sit and watch as everybody else does so. I choose to accumulate. Now, yes, I do own some Bitcoin. I own it on a blockchain through wallets like Best Wallet. You guys got a link for this down in the description. But I've also diversified into everything that I possibly can, including Bitcoin Hyper, a layer 2 blockchain being built for Bitcoin to revive its speed, efficiency, cost, and so on. If you guys are interested in learning more about this one, you got a link for it down there as well. Let me know what you think, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.